All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, crypto projects, make 8%, 1%, all kinds of different things here on this channel. Today, we're going to be talking about CRO, Crypto.com, Cronus. They go by 3 different names. We're going to go to their website, check out their Twitter account. They've hired a new person right now to help them with crime. So we're going to dig into this. This is a pretty good, it's almost like a football team that adds a superstar quarterback to their team. So they're bringing in a person to help them with the criminal stuff. You're going to like that. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. Also, we're going to talk about Bitcoin going to $1 million just for a second. I don't know if that's possible going to $1 million, but we're going to cover that. We're going to do a little bit about Drip Network. Cover the Drip Network. Things are going good with Drip Network, coming up on its 1-year birthday, and lots of good stuff coming up on the show today. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand the cryptocurrency, and one day own it, do some crypto projects, all kinds of good things. All right, let's head over to Crypto.com. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Cronus, Crypto.com is at number 19. It's up about 1% in the day. It's down almost 6.5% for the week. So down a little bit for the week, trading at 41 cents, clicking it right here. So over here to the right, again, we're up 1% today, 41 cents. We'll do a price prediction when we're done here. Taking a look at the charts for the day, it's up and down, up and down. The last 7 days, it was all the way up at 45 cents. It's kind of come down, back up, but 45 cents was the high. So what's going on with the Crypto.com, Cronus? All right, over here at their Twitter account, Crypto.com, the best place to buy, sell, and pay with crypto, BTC, CRO, DeFi, and all that good stuff. All right, here's a couple things. The fight day feeling. So here we go. All right, a couple good things going on right here. Check out their improvement features on Crypto.com NFTs. With the new top collections section on the homepage, it is now easier than ever to stay up to date on the most popular drops. View key metrics such as floor prices, trade volumes, and more at a glance. You got your top collections right here on the Crypto.com. Couple things too, Crypto.com is wishing everybody a happy Passover. So that's real nice. Take a look at that right there. So happy Passover to everybody. And one other thing, we're excited to back Play ELUMI8. It's open world, built on the decades of experience, and can rise the bar for NFT-based gaming. So a lot of good stuff going on here. All right, over to their website here. Now they've added some stuff here. It says start the journey. So if you click start the journey, they actually go right to their commercial. I'm not going to play the commercial right now. Watch the film's kind of good here. This is Crypto.com CRO is the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. And that's real big right there, everybody. Look at that. Get 8% back. People like that. You use your card and get 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. Showing you their app right here on their phone, and look what they got. They got the Bitcoin, they got the Ethereum, Cronus, and Litecoin that you can buy right here. Pretty cool there. Buy at true cost, buy and sell 250 cryptocurrencies. That's a lot. You can get 250 different cryptocurrencies on the app and 20 fiat currencies using bank transfers or your credit/debit card. Credit/debit card is a big one. Right here, the only card you will need. Enjoy up to 8% back on all your spending with this sleek pure metal card. No annual fees. Top up the fiat or crypto. Choose your card. All right, deposit your crypto and earn more rewards. Going over to this article. Here's the big news. Crypto.com hires a financial crime expert from Western Union. This is like drafting a #1 draft choice. This is big. So they've hired somebody from Western Union. It says Crypto.com has hired a former Washington regulator and federal prosecutor to oversee its efforts to ensure the fast-growing online cryptocurrency platform isn't used for crimes such as terrorist financing and funds. So Crypto.com, Cronus, they're big into not having crimes and different things happening, terrorist events on the platform. Dukan will serve as a Singapore-based company executive vice president for compliance in American region as its global head of finance crimes compliance. Crypto.com said Monday he will report to the company's chief compliance officer. Financial crime compliance departments are common at financial institutions such as banks, money service businesses, and casinos, which are required to devote substantial resources to prevent the detecting of abusing, ranging from money laundering to invasions and corruptions. Many of the same laws apply to cryptocurrency companies. So, big news here. They're hiring, Crypto.com hires a financial crime expert from Western Union. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, what about this Bitcoin going up to $1 million? I mean, it's at 40,000 right now. I mean, if it went to 400,000, that would be a 10x. $1 million is like a 25x, but we got Yahoo Finance and everything. Let's go ahead and take a look at this article. All right, here we go. Yahoo News over here on Yahoo. Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million coin cap, CoinDesk editor predicts. Oh boy. As investors' interest in cryptocurrency spikes, Bitcoin could rise to $1 million over the next 5 years, one expert told Yahoo Finance Live. Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million a coin. I mean, I'm reading this. Again, all our information is for educational purposes. I actually believe it will at some stage. With just the scarcity alone aspect, it makes it an incredible, exciting asset to hold. Bitcoin is uncontested. The timing of Bitcoin crossing $1 million is a big question, Leach says. So what they're going to talk about right here is the halving. Bitcoin halving. They cut the rewards in half in 2024. Here it is. The key technical event when the amount of Bitcoin rewards are cutting the miners' rewards in half right here. The miners will be cut in half, and this will take place in 2024. It triggers a massive price surge, they say. So in 2024, they're going to cut the rewards in half, and when they do that, look what happened. The year after the halving is always seen to create a huge rise. This is what we're seeing. The last halving for Bitcoin was in 2020, and so far we've been seeing prices explode. I don't know when Bitcoin will cross $1 million, but it will likely be after 2025. All right, we're going to come up here to the top, and we're going to see what he says about, look at this. Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million a coin, so let's see what this says.
I can understand why it's so scary.
When you take a look at Ethereum Ether versus Bitcoin, what's the better bet, do you think, for the long run?
Oh, that's a good question. Long term, I think with the halving coming up in 2024 and the year after, that always seems to do very, very well for Bitcoin. I think estimations of Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin, I actually believe that it will at some stage.
Did you hear that? Bitcoin going to $1 million. He believes that at some stage.
With just the scarcity aspect alone, it makes it an incredibly exciting asset to hold. Ethereum, though, brings in this other element of utility that we just don't have with Bitcoin. We have the emergence of NFTs. We have this decentralized finance space. It's really difficult to say how far Ethereum could go. There's a lot of competition now in the space for these decentralized applications, so they may eat into Ethereum's lunch, whereas Bitcoin is kind of uncontested.
Ollie, I realize you just said Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin. Today it's 54,000.
Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin. So Yahoo News, this is on Yahoo. I don't know, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Tell us what you think. Do you think Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million? If it does, here's what it means for everybody. If you have one Bitcoin today, you're a millionaire in 3 to 5 years based on what they're saying. So all my information is for educational purposes only. All right, Drip Network coming up on its 1-year birthday. Let's check it out for a second. All right, we're over here at the Drip Faucet Drip Network. This is the granddaddy of them all. This is the McDonald's to the food industry. There's new things popping up, Splassive, and then there's My Diamond Team, all these different things. Drip is the original. What does it say for Drip? For you people that don't know, the Drip Network Faucet is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to a high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on an investment up to, you got it, 365%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, compounding rewards, as well through their team and base referrals. Get a buddy. You do got to have a buddy in order to do this. Couple things right here. Look at the swap. Drip right now is at $41. So the price, it was at like $30 2 weeks ago, so it's up a little bit. The high of this coin was $170. So, I mean, it's down, but it's bouncing back up, which is real good. To sell your drip, you can sell your drip right here on the website. You can buy drip right on the website, which is fine. Look, here's the chart, what drip is doing, and shawam, it's up right now, which is fantastic. So, wanted to let everybody know about the drip. You got the white paper you can go check out and stuff. Introducing drip, the first ever deflationary daily ROI platform. 1% daily returns. All kinds of good stuff. One of my favorite projects, the Drip Network. I just wanted to bring that to you. At the end, I'll link a video and basically show you how you can go to the Drip Network. You do need a buddy if you want to join, but it's going on its 1-year anniversary. I think it's April 22nd. That's unheard of in crypto projects, so this is fantastic. So, all right, let's head back over to crypto.com, do a little price prediction. All right, let's head over to crypto.com to do a little price prediction. All right, we're back over here at the crypto.com website. Take a look at this app here. It says, wow, CRO staked rewards. You just earned 49.34 PAX as your 8% stake reward. Then here's another thing right now. CRO stake rewards. You just received 0.86 BTC as your 4% BTC stake reward. So don't forget, you can stake on crypto.com, which is fantastic too. Here's the big thing. Get up to 14.5% on your PA on crypto right there. Get up to 10% back on your stable coins. Trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange, which is really nice. DeFi made simple. And this is their goal. Crypto in every wallet across the world with crypto.com. All right, what's our price prediction here? The coin is basically moving up and moving down. If we go over here, look, it's down 6% for the week, but it's up 1% for the day. It's at 41 cents. I think the coin's going to go to 43 cents. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. Make sure you research everything. I'm not a financial planner. We're all just friends here having a good time. Crypto.com Cronus is at number 19. All right, everybody. Crypto.com hires a new person to help with their finances, so criminals and crime are not going to be as happening so much with terrorist events with the Crypto.com, with the Cronus and Crow. Fantastic. Bitcoin going to $1 million? I don't know. You tell me what you think. If that really does happen in 3 to 5 years, I mean, you may want to invest a little bit in Bitcoin. And the Drip Network coming up on its 1-year anniversary. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in on a Saturday. We'll see you a little bit later on today, and have a fantastic day.